All right, friends, this week in reading, you're going to be reading a text on Mayan called Animals in Danger in Asia. You are going to be doing a skill that we have done many times before, nonfiction text features. The directions say to use the nonfiction text features to find the answers to the questions below. You can print this page and send a picture or write the answers only in your notebook. So if you want to print this page out, write on here for the week and then send it to me as your work on Friday. That's perfectly fine. If you don't have a printer or you don't want to do that, you can also just write it in your notebook. My name, the date, the title, and then you'll notice number 1 and 2 are both multiple choice questions. So all you would have to do is write the letter that corresponds to that answer. Number 3 has 5 different answers, so that's why I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Number 4, 5, 4 and 5 both have a space here to write a sentence. So when you go in your notebook, you would write that whole sentence right here. You don't have to write the questions. You just have to write the answers. Okay, and then you can have all week long to work on this. I don't want to tell you to do one thing on Monday, one thing on Tuesday. However much you get done, whatever day you want to do it is totally fine. I usually put the grades in on Sunday, so at least just have it to me by then. It is 2 pages, and they are all mostly talking about text features. So if I zoom in here, I'm going to talk about these text features real quick. Number 1, you're going to be talking about a map. Number 2 is a heading. Number 3 is a chart. Number 4 is a bold word and a dictionary. Number 5 is a photograph. Number 6 is another map. Number 7, you're going to be looking at an illustration, a caption, and the chart, all to answer that one. Number 8 talks about a caption. Number 9, I kind of linked in math, so this one doesn't really have a nonfiction text feature, but it's linked to what you learned last week for measuring in math. Okay. Number 10 is going to be the table of contents, and that's over in the Others tab page. It won't come up. You have to click on the other pages for it to come up. Also with that will come up the glossary. And then at the bottom, it asks you to write down the 3 most interesting animals to you. Like if you liked the tiger, you might write tiger, and then what adaptations do they use? I'm just going to write stripes, help tigers. I'm going to write camo for short, camouflage into the grass. Okay, so that's one of the adaptations I thought was interesting. Okay, so like I said, you can either print this and fill this out, or you can write it in your notebook and send it to me that way. Either way, it's up to you. Have fun, learn lots about animals, and I will check your work on Fridays.